If you work with air dry clay and your pieces keep cracking, falling apart, or not sticking together properly, you probably need slip. Slip is basically clay glue, and today I'm going to show you exactly what it is, what it's used for, and how to make it at home using air dry clay. The best part, you only need a few simple things, and it takes just a couple of minutes to make. So, if you're asking, what exactly is slip? Slip is a mixture of clay and water that turns into smooth, creamy texture. Think of it like glue but made out of the same clay you're already using. It's mainly used to attach two clay pieces together securely. Instead of just pressing clay together and hoping it sticks, slip helps bond the pieces much better. A lot of clay artists use something called the score and slip method. That means scratching the surfaces first, then adding slip before attaching the clay pieces together. To make air dry clay slip, you only need a few things: air dry clay, water, a small container or bowl, an X-Acto knife, and something to mix with. That's it. First, take a small amount of air dry clay and break it into tiny pieces. Smaller pieces dissolve faster and make the mixing process easier. Next, add a little bit of water into the container. Don't pour too much right away. Start small because you can always add more later. Start mixing until the clay softens and turns into a paste-like consistency. You're looking for something smooth and creamy, kind of like yogurt or thick paint. If the slip feels too thick, add a few drops of water. If it's too watery, add a little more clay. You can also let the mixture sit for a few minutes to help the clay fully absorb the water and become smoother. Now let's actually use the slip. First, score both clay surfaces by scratching them with a tool, toothpick, or knife. Then apply slip onto both sides. Press the pieces together firmly and gently smooth out the edges. This creates a much stronger connection compared to just sticking dry clay pieces together. Slip is especially used for attaching handles, adding small details, fixing cracks, repairing broken clay pieces, and sculpting larger projects. A quick tip: don't make your slip too watery or your clay can become weak and messy. Also, try using slip on clay pieces that are still slightly damp. Very dry clay doesn't bond as easily. And always store extra slip in a sealed container so it doesn't dry out, so you can still use it for later. And that's how you make slip using air dry clay. It's simple, beginner friendly, and honestly one of the most useful things to learn if you work with air dry clay. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!